Ever pause to wonder if the meals on your plate are truly serving your health goals? Or perhaps you're questioning if the diet plan you follow is yielding the desired results? For many, the answers to these questions remain elusive. But the good news is, there's a solution. Enter the Custom Keto Diet Plan. A custom keto diet plan is a specialized approach to nutrition, one that's tailored to individual needs and goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all diet plan, but a personalized blueprint for health and wellness. It's a plan that takes into account your body type, your activity level, your food preferences, and even your metabolic rate. The goal? To help your body achieve a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The first step in creating a custom keto diet plan is to understand your current health status and your desired outcomes. Are you looking to lose weight, build muscle, or perhaps improve your energy levels? Whatever your goal, it's essential to be clear about it from the outset. Next, it's time to assess your body type and your activity level. Are you an active individual spending hours at the gym each week? Or perhaps your lifestyle is more sedentary? Your diet plan should be attuned to your lifestyle and your body's unique needs. The third step is to identify your food preferences and any dietary restrictions you may have. Do you have an aversion to dairy or perhaps a love for avocados? Your custom keto diet plan should incorporate foods you enjoy and exclude those you don't. Finally, it's time to calculate your macros. Macros, short for macronutrients, are the fats, proteins and carbs that your body needs to function optimally. In a keto diet, the majority of your calories will come from fats, with a moderate amount from proteins and a small portion from carbs. Once you have all this information, you can begin to craft your custom keto diet plan. This involves creating a meal plan that includes a variety of foods to keep your diet balanced and enjoyable. This plan should be flexible, allowing for adjustments as your body changes and your goals evolve. But what's the benefit of following a custom keto diet plan? The benefits of a custom keto diet plan are manifold. For one, it can help you lose weight as your body turns to burning fat for fuel. It can also improve your energy levels, as fats are a more stable source of energy than carbs. Furthermore, it can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes and other health issues. In essence, a custom keto diet plan can be a powerful tool in your journey towards health and wellness. It's not just about losing weight, but about fostering a healthier relationship with food and your body. So why not give it a try? Take the plunge. Embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Start creating your custom keto diet plan today. The road to wellness is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Your body will thank you.